survived Songkran at Siloam, the wettest, wildest Thai New Year ever. Yes, so as you can see, a lot of people are having fun with their water guns, spraying water, splashing. Some are also with their boats. So this year was amazing. This year's new year in Thailand was amazing. Anyway, so let's continue. So let me tell you about the time we barely survived Songkran at Siloam. And by survived, I mean you got completely drenched, lost all the sense of personal space, and had the time of our lives. Yes, so as we are splashing water, we're also enjoying a lot of music along the roadside. But because of YouTube's policy, I cannot play all the video, I cannot play all the sound for you to hear. Yeah, so as we're enjoying the water, being soaked in water, we're also enjoying some videos and audio from the side pubs, from other stages they were playing, as you can see on your screen. Yes, so other people were dancing to the music and then also splashing a lot of water on themselves. It all started off calm, deceptively calm, really. The morning kicked off with traditional ceremony called Rod Nam Dam Hua. We poured scented water over the hands of elders, got blessed, smiled politely, very wholesome. And then chaos arrived in the form of ice buckets, neon water guns, and the rest. So as you can see, a lot of people are just splashing water with their water guns, and it was amazing. So by midday, Siloam was basically a water park with zero rules. So as you can see, people are just spraying, splashing water without any curve, just spraying water around. So no rules, just using the water to wet ourselves. So there were kids with water pistols the size of motorcycles, uncles dual wielding super soakers, and that one guy who brought a pressure washer. So all these things happened at Siloam. Even the monks were laughing, even the policemen too. So if you made a mistake of standing still, you became a human sponge for just spraying water like that. Between water battles, we managed to shovel in some of the best street food ever had. Thai grilled skewers and then mango sticky rice that tasted like happiness. But don't ask me how I ended up eating noodles with one hand and spraying strangers with other. It just felt right. So that's what we're doing to make it. As you can see on your screen, people also showcasing animals. So this one, it was pig. So when you feed the pig, you get money. Like you pay money. You pay money for feeding the pig. They were having some feeding bottles there. So you feed the pig and then you pay money. It was fun. Anyway, I didn't do that though. But so it wasn't just chaos though. It was community. People danced in the street. Strangers teamed up for sneak attacks, and everyone had the same look of soaked joy on their faces. Even the performers stayed in character while getting splashed. Made dance talk about dedication. So it was fun. It was amazing. And if you're not in Thailand this year, I'm hoping by next year you get money so that you can book your ticket, book your plane ticket, and join us as we'll be celebrating next year with a lot of fun. A whole lot. Anyway, as the sun set, the water calmed down and the vibe got soft. There were prayers, choir music, and smell of incense in the air, even soaked to the bone. It was one of the most heartwarming things I've ever seen. So yeah, we came, we got soaked, we feasted, we danced, we survived Songkran at Siloam. 10 out of 10. And we'll do it again. But next time, next time I'm preparing myself well. I would have to change my water gun because the one I sent there was last year. So next year, I'm buying a new water gun and it's going to be crazy. So people, get ready to meet me.